So you've said that you're building new homes now in Florida and Georgia. Do you have plans to continue to expand, or do you feel like there is adequate market here for you guys to just stay in this area?
So right now we don't have any plans to expand outside of Florida or Georgia imminently. We're always looking for new markets that can meet the metrics and the demographics that we look for to be able to build a home and lease it at an attractive rental yield. Right now we're focused on Atlanta, Jacksonville, Ocala, and the Port Charlotte area. We do also have our eye on Palm Coast at the moment. So we will continue to look at those opportunities as they come down the line.
So we've all seen the house flipping shows and the rage and people attempting to even, fix and flip and all these different things. But you just mentioned metrics and demographics. So it sounds like you have a more unbiased approach to the way that you are building or buying homes throughout this entire process. Is that something that you think is a differentiator? Or are you guys just numbers based? I mean,
Yeah, that's ultimately you hit the nail on the head there. It all comes back to the numbers for us. So when we pick an area to build in, we look strongly at the demographics. So we're looking at what is the median income for a household in that area. If the median income for a household is not 3 times more than the annual rent of what we want to rent a home for in that area, it's just not going to work. People that are living in an area have to have an income to support the rent that we want to achieve. We also look at crime statistics. So people, even if you can make the rent numbers work, people don't want to live in high crime areas. So we avoid those. So we look at a lot of different demographic factors to determine where we're going to build these homes. And I would say for our investors that are investing in our funds, this is again a very significant point, because the back end of our company revolves around investors wanting to buy homes in these areas, which means that people must want to live in these homes. Right now, we're pre-sold through 2019. Anything that we build for the rest of this year has already been sold, and that's a huge differentiating factor for our business model. So not only do we have the rental income that's a hedge, if everything, if the world implodes, we have the rental income to fall back on, but also everything is pre-sold. So we're not out there building 100% spec homes like a lot of the national builders are today, trying to fill that gap for the buyer that wants to buy the house right now. We're focused on investor clientele that knows that they want that cash flow and are willing to contract into the future for a house that's not yet built.